Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender for rehabilitation of KD pump stations via the supply and installation of different equipment, new PD. The European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, EBRD, is administering a loan or grant towards the cost of a contract for the Kitchener Drain Depollution, Drain Rehabilitation Project in Egypt, identified by the EBRD Project ID 49417. The client for this project is the Ministry of Water Resources and Irrigation. This specific procurement, identified as PP121, concerns the rehabilitation of KD pump stations, achieved through the supply and installation of various equipment. This includes electric motors with different power ratings, medium and low voltage control units, circuit breakers, capacitors, and flap gate hydraulic systems. This open tender, single-stage procurement, categorized under Works, is part of the broader municipal and environmental infrastructure business sector. The invitation for tenders was published on January 30, 2025, at 7:40, with the official issue date following later that same day at 10 o'clock. The closing date for submissions is March 18, 2025, at 10 o'clock. Interested parties should note the ECEPP ID 36044716 for reference.